Hello, hello, hello. Hello, everyone.
In this video, we'll learn how to format or factory reset a Windows 11 PC. I'll be using a CHUWI computer, specifically the MINIBOOK X model. Factory resetting is useful if your computer isn't working properly, as it wipes everything and returns the PC to its original state. If it's running poorly, this is one way to reset and give it new life. It's also handy if you're selling your computer, as it clears your data, leaving it clean for the new owner. Before we start, remember, this process is irreversible. Once we format and reinstall Windows, we can't recover unsaved files. So, with that said, let's begin. First, from the desktop, go to the Windows icon at the bottom and click to open the main menu. In the main menu, navigate to the Settings section. In Settings, move down the left sidebar to the System section. The right side changes. In System, scroll down to find the Recovery section. In Recovery, you'll see different options for resetting or recovering your PC. The top two are lighter options for a standard reset if you're having issues. As you can see, it indicates below that the current Windows version will be reinstalled, keeping apps, files, and settings. Basically, it'll just do a small reset without losing any information. But what we're interested in is down here under Recovery Options, where it says Reset this PC. Once you've found it, click on Reset PC. As you can see, we're now given two options. The top one, Keep My Files, removes settings and apps, but keeps personal files. It's similar to what we saw earlier. The bottom option, which we want, removes all personal files, apps, and settings. It leaves the PC as if it were brand new. So let's click on Remove Everything. After a few seconds, as you can see, it gives us two options for reinstalling Windows, from the cloud or local reinstallation. In this case, I'd recommend always clicking on local reinstall. As you can see, the cloud download can use over 4 GB of data, and not everyone can reinstall Windows with internet. So, no problem. Let's click down here where it says local reinstall. And as you can see, now we get a brief summary of what's going to happen. Apps and files will be removed, but it won't clean the drive. Instead, it'll completely delete apps and files, then reinstall Windows. So once you're clear on this, click Next. In my case, as you can see, I get a message saying the PC can't be reset while running on battery. Basically, keep in mind that for this process, your computer must be plugged in. As you can see, once we plug in the computer, it starts preparing automatically. I didn't have to press anything, and the reset process begins. After a few seconds, as you can observe, we get a second summary of what's going to happen. As I mentioned, this process is irreversible. So we're informed multiple times about what we're doing to ensure we're certain. Again, we have another summary. This will remove personal files and user accounts, undo changes made to settings, and remove apps and programs not originally included with the PC. It means everything we install later will be uninstalled, and will also reinstall Windows from the device. It'll take a few minutes and the computer will restart. So once we're clear on everything, we click on Reset. Now as you can see, a percentage will appear at the top, showing how much time is left. We'll just wait. Finally, after hours of waiting, we're back at the Windows 11 start screen, where we can reconfigure the computer. Don't worry, it's normal for the reset to take several hours. Don't give up, it's a long process, but it progresses gradually, restarts, and eventually returns to the main screen, as you can see, and we can use the computer again without all our previous data. Well guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated. That's all from me. As always, it's been a pleasure. See you in the next video.